Hi guys, welcome back to my channel English in a Blink, and today I'm going to end your confusion between who or whom. Yes, lots of students of mine, they've always been confused, or they'll come to me and ask, teacher, is it who or is it whom? When do we say who? When do we use whom? Yeah, I mean, it's like a constant thing which they always get confused with. So I thought maybe you guys, get confused sometimes whether to use who or whom. Why not make a lesson and share this with all of you? Okay, so if you are the one who get confused, well, the confusion ends today. Okay, so look here. When you want to say, when you want to use who, think of he. And when whom, think of him. Okay, so if I say, if the question is who or whom wrote the letter, now what do you think is the answer going to be if the question is who? If you're confused whether I use who or whether I say whom, so then think of the answer. Okay, if the answer is he, so who or whom wrote the letter? So then he wrote the letter, right? So then the answer is he. So then what is the correct? Is it who? What is correct? Is it who or is it whom? If the answer is he, the correct answer is who. Okay, so if you are talking about he, then you're going to make the question with who. Similarly, if I say who or whom should I vote for? Okay, and then if you're going to answer and then you say, oh, you should vote for him. Okay, so then you're using your him in the answer. So then you're going to form your question with whom should I vote for? Okay, moving on. We all know who or whom pulled that prank. So then, okay, if you're looking at this sentence, so again, you have two clauses. Okay, it contains we all know, that's the first clause, and then you have who or whom pulled that prank. Okay, but we are interested in the second part. Okay, so we are interested in the second clause, which has who or whom pulled the prank. So now think, if this is the question, then if this is the sentence, then what would you say? So if the answer, if somebody asks you something, what would you say? Hey, he pulled that prank. So the correct option is who. Okay, so we all know who pulled that prank. Okay, if the answer is he, who. Similarly, if you have we wondered who or whom that book was about. Okay, so similarly, this sentence also has two clauses. We wondered and then who or whom that book was about. But again, we are interested in the second clause, who or whom that the book was about. So the answer is the book was about him. Okay, therefore the correct answer is whom. Okay, so guys, this is like a tip which I can give you. So always remember, when you're talking about he, then you will have to choose your who. When you're talking about whom, then you have to choose your whom. Okay, so I hope your confusion is gone. You understand when to use your who, how to use your whom. Okay, yeah, thumb rule: he, who, whom, him. Okay, again, like I always say, if you like the lesson, you don't have to do much. All you have to do is press the like button. Guys, you are watching it, but you're not pressing the like button. Don't do that. Do not forget to press the like button. It's just there. Press it. Okay, so until we meet next time, bye for now.